I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Mavado, David Brooks, I gave you 8,000 Canadian to Vice for White God Rhythm 5 years ago, and you haven't given me back the money. And when I call you and tell you that, no, I call.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. My dad yourself for telling the war go on for not to go on. You see me? So as you can see, future Fambo, I don't want to say he's mad out, but he's been speaking his truth of lately. And a lot of people is upset. He see me say, I know, you know him try for the Gully God. He see me say him let him a bag of money and he hasn't returned it since. You see me say, and a lot of people is saying that the God is broke. And I'm here to tell you that it's not true. You see me say, Mavado has money issues, yes. But you can never be broke when you have assets. As you can just say him apartment then him build up and you know say him have the mansion up in the sky. But when it comes to money, yeah, it dry up. You see me say, my people, you know music no sell for certain people and you know Mavado now getting no bookings. You see me say, and from 2000 and 2021, you know the old Range Rover, you know the people them was suing for like 40,000 because he couldn't make the $1,000 payment them monthly. So yes, Mavado, I don't want to say strapped for cash, but in pride look on future and say, you know what, you see me say, but nevertheless, future a chat, so let's listen to what he has to say.
I called you and said to you said to me you was going to help me to bury my mother. You didn't have to cause. Somebody else helped me. I'm not going to call the person name. But the person gave me 600,000. It was $1 million to bury my mother. And you say he was going to give me 4 dub plates. And when I call you, you said to me, Fambo, your mother not done that already. That was the end of me and you. But I gave you $8,000 to Vice and White God Rhythm, and you didn't Vice on it. There's no free money around here, David Brooks. Castro, I know you're not going to like me. Keenan, I know you're not going to like me. Boom Boom, I know you're not going to like me. And the whole Gully side going to hate me. But all I want is back is the $8,000. The $8,000 that Warren Gladstone Williams gave you, give me back that money, Mavado. Give me back that money. Joy, I don't run. I'm not disrespecting your brother. Miss Spinning, I love you. I love you. Mavado, give me back the money. Give me back White God money so I can give him back his money. You are rich. Give him back the man money. Give him back the man money. Mavado, David Brooks, give me back the man money. And if
Problem in the comment section, no, because he didn't stop with his pocket watching and he went on to say Joe Bogdanovich is broke and this Gully Gaza thing is played out. You see me I say, and Reggae Sumfest is going to flop because him only have 2 artists on it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. He mentioned a couple people's names, but you know, Massacre say him now deal with that program there again after them, this film program when them crown Cartel King and all of this good stuff. And you know, Bounty say him now forward back over this again because them they disrespect and make ice and sip on him head top and all of this good stuff. And you know, Beanie Man have him on a festival and you know, the vibes between, you know, the crew. You know what I mean? So let's hear what go on for that to go on and we'll proceed with the next.
the door, I understand Reggae Sumfest on the door of La Bass. On the door of Massacre upon it. The door of Craft, handsome person. Very handsome. Craft. On the door of Alkaline. On the door of Idona. Watch he make me squeeze off. With the blood clot there. You don't got Idona on the bill? Are you dumb? Are you crazy? You don't got Vegas. I am blessed. I am Champagne. Just give me the. You can't book him. Joe can't pay Champagne. Gambling practice can't really play Champagne. You keep the show every year and they don't put Champagne. He's the biggest Jamaican artist. I'm lost. I'm fucking lost. You ain't got Bunny Killer on the show, you ain't got Butcher Bantan, you ain't got Beat Man, you ain't got Ghost, you ain't got General B, you got Nitty Kutcher, you ain't got Pinchers, you ain't got Shaka Demons and Pliers, you ain't got Master Griffiths, you ain't got Junior Gang, you ain't got Junior Reed. What are you doing? It's Reggae Sumfest. It's gotta be 2 nights, singers, DJ night, and the sound night. Ricky Chuber, Tony Materon, Firelings, you're cheating again, Joe. Your money's running out. And even Joe Buddy's running out. Joe Buddy is running out. He's short in the show. 2 artists in one night. Whoa. I'm crazy. You got Chris Morty, you got Taros Riley. You ain't got Ruben Virgo. What are you doing? You ain't got singers that you cut it out to one that Johnny goes out. Why did you sell Joe Sumfest? He's fucking up the game. He's messing up the game. It's a big war. We don't want no more war. It's Gully and Gaza war. We don't want no more war. We don't need no more trouble. What about Gully and Gaza peace? That sounds good to me. You ain't got Javinci on the show. You ain't got Venice and Blink on the show. You ain't got Flex. You ain't got Predator. You got Boom Boom. You ain't got Roxy. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Like, the Gully and Gaza war is played out. They could go on tour. Yeah, tour the world, and they go that. But Jamaica, the city's played out. I'm sorry for that. Why am I beating him? I think. Moses Davis, you are a hot dean. I'll make you hot. Let's not talk about you. I told you. Angel, post that video. When me and Shane get, Jaja me give you glory. And when me look for my story, enough thing man been true. Thank you, Jaja, for the blessing where you give. More women are like no food in my fridge. Still I make me manage, still I cross the beach. Wake up in a hustling mood for the money me a save. Motivation for the youths me a give. Sonny Spoon Neville, Shane Green. Believe me, happier than me you can't find. A blessing it a rain every time. Tell me how can I be ungrateful when Jaja keep my plate full. Praise the Most High, we're divine. Are the biggest songs in Jamaica, I'm not lie. Jamaica people, don't deny God. This is the biggest song in the world. Thank you. I beg you, brother. Andrew Honest, you're my boss. Jamaica Constable Force, you're my boss. JDF, you're my boss. Andrew Honest, you're my boss. JDF, Jamaica Constable Force, protect me. Thank you. I'm the most wanted man alive. I'm the most wanted man alive.
So is Fambo talking straight, or is he just coming off for hate? Well, you know Joe Bogdanovich cannot be broke, and you know with business you don't really want to go all out and not make a profit, you know, and you know the things that with Hurricane Melissa and Jamaica and all these good stuff and whatnot. Yeah, so probably the best route is going with 2 artists. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But he might talk though. This man say he might talk. But me just to give you a quick update while going for that to go on. So let's check out these next suggested videos in the sip on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. Therefore you'll be notified when I drop the latest. Please.